Hi, today Ask F5 shows you how to revoke a Big IP VE license so that you can install it on a different Big IP VE system. To reuse an existing Big IP Virtual Edition VE license on another Big IP VE system, you must first revoke the license from the system to which it is assigned. To revoke the license, you must have access to the Big IP VE system. If, for example, the virtual machine was deleted or the Big IP VE is inaccessible, you must contact F5 support and request an allow move on the registration key to use it on a new system. License revocation functionality only applies to Big IP VE systems. Add-on keys, once user activated, are permanently tied to the base registration key and cannot be revoked individually. The Big IP system must be configured for DNS and be able to route to the internet and be able to resolve to activate f5.com, even when using an outbound proxy, and must have outbound TCP port 443 access. For detailed information, refer to this article linked below. To revoke and reuse your Big IP system license, log into the configuration utility. Go to System, License. Scroll to the bottom and select Revoke. When prompted to remove the license, select OK. Note, in some cases, revocation may take 5 to 15 minutes to complete. If you get the error 51162, key is being revoked none, then you will need to call F5 support and request an allow move of the registration key. Once the revocation is successful, you can install the license on a new Big IP VE system. That's it. If you have questions or comments, please send us an email. Thanks for watching.